There's one gift you can give yourself and the world this year, and that is the gift of fresh breath. That's because bad breath?
It's a problem that affects billions of people. Billions. 1 in 4 people have it, including him.
I brushed, flossed, and thought I was good. But I wasn't. Because here's the thing that nobody will tell you. They're just judging you as they take your bad breath like a punch to the face. And that was the case for me until I had an honest family member tell it like it is.
Mitch, your breath is killing me.
What do you mean I brushed?
Oh, it's awful. It's awful.
Maybe it's from the coffee, which I love. All those onions, or those spicy foods. You know what I'm talking about. Wherever it comes from, it doesn't matter. Because today, we're gonna solve bad breath once and for all. First things first, brushing.
An electric toothbrush is better.
Then you floss with a high-quality dental floss, unless you're saving those food particles for a snack later. Yum.
After you brush and floss, it's time to look at the most neglected part of the mouth, the tongue.
This is where 90% of bad breath comes from.
Your tongue is like sandpaper with cracks and crevices. And all that white crap is old food, smelly old food. A special tongue brush like this one can remove more bacteria than a scraper alone.
I like to use both. You brush to break it up, scrape all the nasty away, and repeat. I'll link to them in the comments. Here's the insider secret. Finish up with this, hydrogen peroxide. It's cheap, will kill the germs, and whiten your teeth. Mix 1 part peroxide with 1 part water. Take a shot, swish, gargle, and spit. When you're all done, clean your toothbrush head in peroxide so bacteria won't grow on it. How is it now?
Much better.
To see if your breath is bad, simply do a breath test. If your tongue has white stuff on it, it's likely stank. You can also lick the back of your hand, let it dry, and smell it. If it doesn't stink, you're good.
Do the world a favor. Give the gift that keeps on giving. The gift of fresh breath. Your friends will thank you. Your dentist will thank you. And your significant other will really thank you.